Up everybody, outside again, always outside for this project Z06. The reason why is because the alarm is going off after a rain, and also the windshield wipers are not turning off as well, and I got a leak there, so there's a bucket. It smells musty in here too. Oh man. Anyways, it's sticking in here. You can see these things don't turn off. It just keeps on spinning on me. It's gonna beep because you're gonna turn on the key. And let's see here. So does that look wet?
Guys, I'm gonna do a temporary workaround. We really don't rain that much in Southern California. This is not gonna be my permanent driver. So in the footwell here, you will pull this panel off right here. Then you pull this fuse panel off here, and then if you look at the schematic, you're gonna know it's actually number 10 over here, which is called WSW, I guess windshield wiper, WSW, which is right there. I'm pointing it right there. Yank that out, and it won't run for now until I figure things out. Alright, oops. So like I said, the 25's got to go for now. Let's see if I go that way. It's out of that spot there, which is this guy. You could save it somewhere. I know there might be some spare spots here. Oh, spares under the hood. Anyways, just keep it in your glove compartment when you're ready to put it back on. Let me put the key, then you can see if it's gonna move. Nope, which is what we want. There's my wiper on. Oh, not my wiper. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for now. Temporary fix until you guys are ready to fix it.